In this video, I'll show you how to embroider eyes on your amigurumi. You'll need black and white yarn or thread and a yarn needle. First, decide on the placement of your eye. Then insert your needle under 2 rows of stitches. Thread the yarn around those 2 rows of stitches twice. You'll have 2 strands of black yarn. Use your yarn needle to straighten out the strands. Now you'll drop the black yarn and grab some white yarn. Thread your yarn needle with the white yarn. Insert your yarn needle under the 2 strands of black yarn. Be sure to keep the white yarn near the top. Continue wrapping the white yarn around the 2 strands of black yarn until you have 3 strands of white yarn. Pull the ends of the white yarn to be sure that it is snug against the black yarn. If necessary, push the white yarn up to the top of the black strands. For the side of the eye that will not have the white outline, push that strand to the back of your piece. Thread your yarn needle with the remaining white strand of yarn. Thread that white yarn down through your piece to come out at the bottom of the eye. Drop the white yarn for now, we'll use it again later. Using the black yarn at the top of the eye, thread your yarn needle. We're going to outline the eye that we have done so far with the black yarn. Insert your yarn needle at the bottom of the eye. Push it out through the top of the eye. Now outline the other side of the eye by going back into the bottom of the eye with your yarn needle. Push the yarn needle through to the back of your piece. We won't be using the black yarn any longer. Push the other remaining black yarn tail through to the back of your piece. We'll now do the white outline on the inside of the eye. Thread your yarn needle with the remaining white yarn tail. Insert your yarn needle through the top of the eye. You can push the yarn needle all the way through to the back of the piece. As you tighten up the white yarn, just be sure that it stays on that one side of the eye. Straighten out any of the yarn strands with your yarn needle as needed. Secure your yarn tails and hide them inside.